Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing about a free digital marketing course that is offered by Google. So Google is offering this digital marketing course in association with the Open University and IAB, that is Interactive Advertising Bureau. So before we see all the details regarding this free course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, can you do that first? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job updates, internships, and other online workshops and events. So now let us get back to the content. So the name of this course is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, and as you can see from the name, you will be learning all the basics of digital marketing in this course. And once you complete the course successfully, you will also get a certification. So that's what they have given here, include certification. And this course can help you grow your business and career. And now let's see the details about this course. So you have 26 modules in this course, and remember that all these content are created by Google trainers. So basically you are going to learn from the experts in digital marketing who have worked for Google. So the content will be very good and it will be of very high quality. So you have 40 plus hours of video content, and this is a beginner level course because as I said, you will be learning only about the basics of digital marketing in this course, and it is a free course, so you don't need to pay for anything. And here are the course features. So it is IAB accredited course, that is Interactive Advertising Bureau accredited course, and you have video tutorials and you have unlimited access to this course once you start learning because there are no restrictions. And once you complete it, you will also get a recognized certification from Google for this particular course. And these are the reasons why you should get this certification. So it can improve your CV. So if you are working in a marketing field, this is definitely going to be even more better for you guys. So this can boost your profile. It can help you stand out from others, and it can help you find a new job as well, because digital marketing is where there is no specific degree. You just need the knowledge, and you can also grow your career as well. So these are the reasons for which you need to get this certification from Google. It is a free course. Why not take it? Just go and enroll in it. And how it works. So first you need to complete all the 26 modules, and at the end of each module you will get a small quiz to test your knowledge about what you have learned from that particular module. And after completing the 26 modules, you will take a final exam in which you will get 40 questions. You have to answer all the questions and get a pass mark, and after that you will get your certification from Google, and then you can share it on your LinkedIn and as well as on your CV. And here they have also given the modules. So you have 26 modules, and these are the modules: the online opportunity, your first steps in online success, build your web presence. They have given everything here. You can just go through it. There are a lot of content here and skills that you will learn from this course. So analytics and data insights, business strategy, content marketing, display advertising, local marketing, email marketing, SEM, SEO, that is search engine marketing and search engine optimization, social media marketing, web optimization. So there are a lot of things that you can learn from this course. And here are some success stories of those people who have taken this course, and how it impacted their life, how it improved their career and business growth. And here they have given some FAQs. So how can I be awarded a digital marketing certificate? So you will earn an authentic digital marketing certification from Google once you complete all the modules in this course. And how do I get the digital unlock certificate? So once you complete it and get your certificate, you can also download a PDF copy of your certificate. And few more questions are given here, like what you should do when you lost your certificate and who provides the digital marketing certification by Google. So you can see that here, and few more FAQs are here. If you want, you can just see that. And now let's see how to register for this course. I'll just tell you guys, it's pretty simple. So first you need to log into Google Digital Unlocked. So you need to click on this register button and create an account in Google Digital Unlocked if you don't have one already. And if you have an account already, you can just click on sign in and sign into your account. And then once you're logged into your account, just click on the start course button to enroll in this fundamentals of digital marketing course. So this is how you need to enroll in, and this is a very good course if you want to learn about the basics of digital marketing. This is not an advanced level course, but if you are a beginner in digital marketing, this is definitely going to be helpful. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. To get more updates about free online courses, just subscribe to AnswersQ and press that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels. Like I said, I'll give you all the link like Facebook, Instagram. Every link will be shared in description. Just check it out.